Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the keyboard layout editor and creating a new project. This gets your canvas ready. Load an existing key map if you want a quick baseline, or choose an ANSI or ISO template to match your board. Once done, set the grid units and rotation. Use 1U for standard keys and 0. 5U for split modifiers, so placement aligns precisely. Make sure to name the file immediately to avoid confusion, and position the first row of keys as your anchor. You now place keys and configure their behavior. Drag individual keys into rows and snap them to the grid. Assign each key its key code and legends, and add layer numbers where you need alternate functions. This organizes how the board behaves. Once done, size modifiers correctly. 1. 25U for typical Control/Alt. 1. 5U for longer keys. Make sure to set stabilizer positions for long keys and group duplicated keys to lock spacing, so you avoid misalignment later. You finish by exporting the layout as JSON or C code and verifying pin mappings and PCB size. This ensures the software matches your hardware. Once done, compile and flash the firmware using QMK or VIA, then physically test every key for correct output. If keys are wrong or not responding, check row and column wiring, confirm diode orientation, and review layer overlaps that might block key codes. Make sure to re-export after changes and flash again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.